Hello everyone, this is Samuel Munga once again. I'm greeting you all, cTrader traders. Thank you for watching my video. This video is about the new update released about the ApexMarketStructure. The version 1 of this product was only boxes, liquidity lines, average price line, and as you can see, we do have two liquidity lines, buying liquidity lines and selling liquidity lines. So these liquidity lines represent the stop pool, which is the stop loss of people. As you can see, according to the market structure, this indicator doesn't rely on a specific strategy because every strategy fails sometime, somehow. One strategy cannot work everywhere and all the time. This Apex market structure works for every pairs in any market, because here you are reading what the market is giving you live. So before this new release, we had only boxes, the boxes that represent the contraction phase, which is the phase where us, Apex market structure traders, we do not trade in the box when the box is on the high time frame. The magical trading of this indicator, you need to have three windows or three charts. One of your chart must be on daily, the second chart on 4 hours, and the chart you are trading in can be any lower time frame from 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever. So your daily, your day 1 and 4 hours are giving you the direction bias, the situation that are going on the higher time frame. For example, let me put here daily. So this is the actually daily. This is what is going on daily actually on gold USD. So as you can see, this is our box. Once the price is in the box in the high time frame, as traders of Apex market structure, we do not trade in lower time frame, because in the box, in the lower time frame, you will have some trouble. But once the price just breaks out of the box, it may be above the average line, above the average price line, or below the average price line, you're gonna know the direction of the market. And also, our software can tell you clearly what's the direction of daily. This is very powerful. Once you find the first confirmed candle of daily breaks out of the box, telling you that we are going on selling direction, this is really powerful. Then the second day, you have a confirmation that we are going down. Remember, after having such confirmation in daily, and also at the same time you check your 4 hours, at the same time when the price is breaking out of the box, you will see how many 4 hours are in one day. So that is going to be very powerful when you are in the lower time frame, for example 15 minutes, and then you are exactly on that time. Let's go back a little bit. If we were going down at that time. So remember, when daily is on selling, 4 hours is on selling, and the 2 hours time frame are matches or are aligned, all you have to do in the lower time frame using our software, above this average line, you will only sell once you have these manipulation legs. All manipulation legs in the reversal side against the daily, it's your entry. Every manipulation legs, it's your new entries. Remember, retailer traders above the average price, they buy. But smart money institutions, market makers are selling above the average price. Below the average price, retailers sell. As below the average price, we buy. That's the powerful of this. Now, what is really giving you edge of buying and selling? Let's talk about our old version. In the old version, we had no QML sell, QML buy was not there. So in the new release, we now added QML buy and QML sell. Those QML buy and sell, they are appearing exactly at the top of the wick leg or the manipulation leg. They are really appearing here. So once you have this confirmation, you sell from here, you put your stop loss above where the price will not even reach one day. It's exactly the move. As you can see here, at this buying point, it's exactly the starting of this buying movement. As you can see here, is the same thing. As you can see here, is the same thing. As you can see here, is the same thing. As you can see, this buying here is the same thing. And then you have a signal telling you that we're gonna break our structure. So the break of a structure appears to tell you that this move is going to change a little bit. So you bank here, stay out a little bit, wait the manipulation time, and buy and sell. So this market is telling you that we are on selling side. All you need to do to be perfect, aligned with the trends, you have to sell. But in the lower time frame, each reversal, each leg manipulation is your new entry. So what's again new in this new version? You will notice that there is a red line zones, even where there is no QML sell, but the red line zones appears very early, so you can sell when you see this red line here, red zones here, and then you buy. The BOS will tell you when to quit. Another one here, you sell here, you know where not to quit. We do have another red line, red zone here. Same thing. Now we do have green zones as well. So when you see green zones and you failed to buy here, but you do have another occasion to do that, when you see the green zones appear, so you can buy again. Remember, when the orange arrow appears on the top, it's telling you that this move is going to end, because this arrow belongs to selling side. And then you have the change of character also appears, telling you we are changing our way of doing things. And then you will see another confirmation of the red zone appear to confirm, yes, we are going down. So at least you do have three things to take in account here. You have an arrow, which is yellow or orange, the way you can see it. You do have a red line. You do have a CHOCH, telling you we are changing our character. And then the red line says we are going down. The arrow said, please, you bought from down, you have to quit now. And it appears this arrow appeared internally on this candle, but we make it visible after the confirmation is really confirmed that yes, there's no move apart here, then it's going to appear. Same thing, you bought here, this arrow appears telling you that this move, it's ending. So you have a green zone here, red zones here to sell. You have a green here. This green, don't take it here. This green belongs to this leg here. It's just pulled. So that is the release of this new update that we have just uploaded. So as you know, even though the market is going down, the architect of the markets, that is the game. They have to go back in the reversal, lying to retail traders that this market's now changing sides because people used to trade with one chart without seeing the full picture. People will now start buying, massively buying. This reverse is just a momentum of breaking, then the market is going to continue in its own way. So each time the liquidity line is taken, which means this liquidity line is the stop pull, the stop loss. Once they targeted it, they took it away, this market is going to move in another direction. But as we do have three indications telling us we are going to do this. So the Apex market structure tells you we have the market have taken stop loss of people. It means they do have now fuel for the trend. Now, before you get in, remember, let us follow this line here. This line continues because nothing has broken yet. It will continue until the market will come and take it. But until now, once you see this line appears, this is a stop pool of big players that have just bought in this market. One sign to tell you that we are now moving. But the changing of character told you since some candle before that this move is going to change. Once the liquidity line is taken, now the way to go back in the reversal side. Another confirmation is that this buying you are seeing here were here. But as this is powerful, it drags it to show that this buying level is going to be true even now. That's why you are seeing it here. So in the beginning, when the market was here, this buying was here. But then it continues to come by knowing that this price is going to come and this zone will be buying. And then you have the green zone that appears to tell you we are moving up. Then you have another confirmation for buying side. You get in here. Now, as you know, this market is going down. This buying is just a reversal from our 4 hours, because daily is on bear, 4 hours in bull, which means this market is just a reversal from our high time frame, which is 4 hours. So you have to be very careful when you are trading against the trends. It means we are going down, you're gonna buy, but make sure if you get in here, first place you're gonna take half or more of what you have got. It's exactly at this line here, because this average price is the magnet. You can see it everywhere. The price is going swing high, swing low. The price tests this zone before moving. So when you reach here, you have to bank your profit. Then pull your stop loss to the break even plus a buffer zone. Then let your profit run until when you will see this liquidity line, which is a stop loss of people who sold here. They are going to be trapped. Once trapped, know that sooner as this liquidity have been taken, move will gonna change. So just to give you a little bit of Apex market structure, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please take the Apex market structure, gonna try it. It's really working very fine on cTrader, and see how powerful it is. So as you could see, this buying just tells you to buy from here, and see this beautiful move here. So again, you do have the break of structure, telling you that we are just breaking a little bit, but this movement is going to continue. Thank you very much for watching this video. This was just a little video to show you the updates. So in this update, you do have a arrow from buying side, arrow from selling side, which tells you that the move is going to end. You do have a QML sell that tells you yes, the point to sell here. You do have the QML buy telling you the point of buying it's now. You do have the green zone telling you this is a buying green zone. And you have the red zone telling you this is a red selling zone. And you can see it even here. So with this indicator, once we are in the lower time frame, remember, above the average price we sell, below the average price we buy. We do have to align with the institutions and smart money people. Don't trade against them because they have much money to move the market. So if you are on their side, you're gonna be safe. This Apex market structure read the institutional movement and helps you to see where there is stop loss of people, where people's gonna feel pain, and then once their money is taken, that money is a fuel for another move, and you're gonna go with the same move. So as you can see, this buying here, we're here, but it continues to show you that this is another zone of the same buying. So you get in here and you're gonna get out from the liquidity line that is taken above. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for choosing cTrader. Thank you for choosing ApexMarketStructure. And there is more to come.